Databricks now supports both native Iceberg and Delta Lake table formats with Unity Catalog. And as a Databricks partner, StreamNative, through the Ursa engine, is providing you the choice of table format when streaming your data directly to Lakehouse for use in Databricks. We start by streaming Kafka messages to our StreamNative Ursa cluster. We have the choice of storing data in Delta Lake or Iceberg format, but today we want to showcase how StreamNative and Databricks support Iceberg. So we've configured our cluster to store data in Iceberg format, with tables automatically being registered in Unity Catalog. We can see in S3, the data is stored as Iceberg with corresponding Iceberg metadata and Parquet files. The StreamNative Ursa cluster commits snapshots to the Unity Catalog, with the Databricks Unity Catalog managing the table and creating any necessary Delta log files. The Unity Catalog UI indicates this table is a managed Iceberg table, with the Details tab showing the corresponding S3 bucket we just viewed in AWS. Finally, we use Spark SQL to query the data directly through Databricks Unity Catalog. StreamNative is excited to partner with Databricks, providing our customers the ability to now stream data directly to native Iceberg tables when using Databricks and the Databricks Unity Catalog.